Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and I hope you're having a great day. So guys, today I'm a little bit excited, I can't lie, because I actually found out 2 days ago that Rhuigi Villaseñor, who is the founder and creative director of Rhude, has actually done a collaboration with Zara, which I just knew nothing about, and if you know anything about the brand Rhude, you'll know that it's at one of the highest ends of the luxury streetwear market. So, typically t-shirts can cost around $350, $400, shirts can be sort of $400, $500, jeans can just be astronomical prices. So to actually have such a high-end luxury brand do a collaboration with like a fast fashion house, Zara, for me is fantastic, and I'd love to see more of it because not everybody's got the money to go out and spend $300-$400 on a t-shirt. So to be able to go and pick up a collaboration with a brand such as Rhude and Zara for like $20-$30 is just absolutely blows my mind. So guys, anyway, I'm about to head out to the shopping mall in Marbella. Gonna have a look at the collection. There's one t-shirt for sure that I'd like to pick up. I have checked, it says that it's available in store, so fingers crossed that it is still there when I get there. So anyway guys, let's head out, we'd look at the collection and I'll see what I pick up. So guys, I've just made it to the shopping centre. Just to let you know what I've got on today. I've just got a Jordan cap on, Supreme waist bag, a vintage tee, some Fear of God Essential Spring Summer 2019, and a pair of Vans OG LX era. So anyway guys, let's go into the mall and see if we can find this Zara Rhude collection. Made it into the store guys. I'm not too sure about this though. I'm really not sure what's going on with that. There's the collection guys. This is the Zara Rhude. So you can see there's some nice pieces here. Technical jackets, windbreaker. We've got some nice bits in here. So anyway, I'm going to have a quick look through it and see what I like. Okay guys, just made it to the changing room and we've got 7 pieces. We've got the Rhuigi slider. We've got the t-shirt that I actually came for, which I'm pleased about, like that. I've just picked up a black shirt, which is not Rhuigi. And then we've got some shorts, some pants, some cargos, and another pair of shorts at the back. So I'll give it a try now and see what we think. Okay guys, the first piece, this is a extra large. And I'll be honest, I'm thinking I can maybe get away with just a large in this, but the material's good. So yeah, I think this is a keeper, this one. These are nice. These are the cargo pants. Got the poppers at the bottom. Got the extra long drawstrings. Just a really nice trailer. These. The fit's nice. The hand's nice. I think these might be a cop. Switched up guys, this is a size large, so I think it just fits a little bit better on the shoulder. Okay guys, I've just left Zara managed to get the t-shirt that I wanted in the end. So what we'll do is we'll go back now and I'll upload some of the pieces from their website and we can then discuss them, and I'll tell you what I think about the quality. I'll see you back later, guys. Hi guys, so I've made it back indoors and I'm pleased to say it wasn't a wasted trip. I picked up the item that I wanted. So I picked up this t-shirt. It's in a taupe colourway, so it's a nice easy colourway, and it's a really good quality t-shirt. 23 euros. It's nice heavy weight to it. It kind of, for me, it resembles the weight of the Fear of God Essentials t-shirts, and even kind of the material as well. I mean, you wouldn't expect it for such a cheap t-shirt, but it's a really fit quality t-shirt. Feels like it's going to be able to take a fair bit of stick, and it's got some nice simple designing on it. So we've got redesigning human uniform. It's got the Rhuigi or Rhude reference there at the bottom. And then it's clearly got some Rhude references as well on the actual t-shirt itself. So if you know anything about Rhude, this is a symbol that you see quite often on the Rhude items directly, on the mainline items. And then you've got RHU, which, you know, kind of references Rhude again there. So yeah, really pleased with that t-shirt. Now, on the subject of this t-shirt, before we go on to something else, sizing. Now, I've been doing a lot of exercise lately and I've been putting myself on a healthy eating diet. That shirt is actually a full size down from the t-shirt sizing that I would normally wear. So I don't know if it's just a direct result of me losing some weight or maybe not, I don't know. But it could be just that this collection runs large, I'm really not sure, but do take note. Now, I am 5'7", which is like 173. I'm around 90 kilos, which is approximately 14 stone. So it's like, I don't know, 195 pounds, something like that. And this fits as a large really, really well. I could have got away with an XL, but I'll be honest with you, it just looks that little bit too big. You know, the shoulders sort of dropped down a little bit too much. The arms were a little bit bigger than I would have liked. So this large fits really, really well. So if you are thinking about ordering online, it may be worth considering that there's a possibility that this whole line actually runs slightly bigger. The same, I tried on some cargos. I picked the size that I would normally wear. And in all fairness, although, yeah, they were okay, I probably would have actually gone down a size in them as well. The sweatpants I tried on, they were a size less than I would normally wear. Shorts were my normal true to size. I picked up medium in those. But yeah, so I think like the sweatpants, t-shirts, the cargos, they all seem to be running a little bit bigger than my normal size. So like I say, for me, with my dimensions, it seems going down one full size seems to do the trick. But yeah, guys, when it comes to the actual quality of the products, I have to say, for the price point, you can't go wrong. You know, as I mentioned earlier in the video, that, you know, typically Rhude, you can be looking at 300-400 euros for a t-shirt, shirts 400-500, jeans 700-900, varsity jackets around 1,000. You get the idea. So to be able to pick up a Rhuigi/Rhude collaboration with Zara for these sorts of prices is just absolutely brilliant. So basically what my recommendation is get yourself along to your local Zara, have a look at the collection. There really is something for everyone. There's some bright pieces there, so maybe if you're in your 20s and you want something that's vibrant and bright, there's definitely some good choice there for you. And then if you're maybe in your 40s, such as me, and you want something which is a little bit more toned down, there are some nice pieces there with just your blacks, your taupe colours, that sort of thing. So yeah, there's definitely something for everyone, and I thoroughly recommend that you go and check them out because the quality of the pieces is absolutely brilliant. Anyway, guys, as always, I'm gonna ask, oh actually, before I ask you to subscribe and all that stuff, what I will do is I'm gonna throw some pictures up here of some of the collection. I won't show everything because there are a lot of items, but I'll put a few bits up here just so you can see what's available. So yeah, guys, anyway, hope you liked the video. If you have, please remember to hit that subscribe button, like and comment. If you haven't liked the video, well, subscribe anyway, because maybe I'll drop a video that you're going to like at some point. Anyway, guys, enjoy the rest of your day. Speak soon. Mind how you go.